This workout is called Booty Gains Junior. It's going to be 4 rounds of 7 single leg elevated hip bridge per leg, 6 forward lunges holding a dumbbell in either hand, so 6 per side, and then holding a dumbbell in one hand, 5 stiff-legged deadlifts, switch the dumbbell to the other side, 5 stiff-legged deadlifts. I'm going to do 4 rounds of that. I'll show you what the first round looks like now. So for the single leg elevated hip bridges, find something that's solid where you can dig your heel into it and then really drive through that heel to bridge your hips up as high as possible. Again, we're doing 7 of these per side. Really light up the hamstrings and the butt here. If this is a little too intense, you can always do these single leg on the ground, but if you can do them elevated, it's a little bit more pronounced. Really fires everything up. So again, really just pressing through that heel, trying to bridge my hips up as high as possible, really squeeze the butt of that leg that's pressing, and just find a nice steady pace to maintain. You don't have to go super fast with these. Whew. Get a nice deep burn though. Then you're picking up the dumbbell, holding it on one side right at your hips, and then 6 forward lunge steps. So 3 total per leg. And then switch the dumbbell to the other side and do the same 6 steps. So that's 6. And again, switch dumbbell to the other side, keep the arms straight. This is hard. Holding a dumbbell on one side is a good challenge, especially for your core, because you're very off balance, so you have to really keep everything tight so you don't go flying and let the dumbbell kind of own your position. So that was 6 per leg. Drop the dumbbell right in front of you, basically right on the front of your leg here. And we're going 5 stiff-legged deadlift per leg. Again, trying to get a nice big stretch in the hamstrings. Just lower. Basically, you're thinking push your butt back. That's pretty much the only thing that should be moving. So I'm thinking like reach toward the back wall with my butt, trying to keep my legs as straight as possible. And right here, I can feel a nice stretch in the back of my legs. So we're doing 5, switch the dumbbell to the other side. Again, keep it right up against the front of your leg there. Just reach backward with the butt until you feel a stretch. Stand up. Again, reach backward, feel the stretch, stand up. Got 3 more of these to go. The hamstrings and the butt are on fire right now. This is a good one, called Booty Gains Junior. Woo. So again, you're going to take a 30-second rest after that round, and then repeat 3 more rounds of that. This workout's called Booty Gains Junior.